Hey guys, it's Jessica, and today I'm bringing to you my gift sets that are under $10. All of these were purchased at Ulta a little while ago. Hopefully none of them have sold out. I feel like last time I did my under $25 gift set video, which I will link up in the cards and down below. Wink, 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 go check it out. Those I purchased at Sephora, and I feel like there were like 3 or 4 of them that were like sold out by the time I was like finding the links for the description box for you guys. I was like, no, but I think some of them came back in stock. And anyway, these are all under $10. Hopefully they're all still in stock on Ulta. I will find links, or at least the best links I can find, down below. Before we get into it, I hope that you will subscribe by hitting that red little subscribe button and hitting the notification bell so you are alerted anytime I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's get into it. I want to keep all of these for myself, but I am gonna give some as gifts, I guess. But we're gonna do a giveaway in this video. I did the same thing the last video. We're gonna do a giveaway with some of these as well. Definitely follow me on Instagram because I'll put a picture of what is included in the giveaway there, and of course I'll tell you at the end too. Info on the giveaway down below. Let's get into it. This all just makes my heart so happy. I love this time of year, and like I was opening this box down in our kitchen and I was showing Tyler some of it, and he was like, you just like love these little things. I'm like, I know, they're all just so cute. Some of them are like perfect little stocking stuffers, others are just awesome gifts in general, whether for someone else or for yourself. Let's start, I don't even know where to start. Let's start with the cutest things. Look at this. This one is exactly $10, and it is from the Body Shop. I think the Body Shop does body butters very well. I like their shower gels too, and this, I think pretty much every year I end up buying one, and for myself. This one, I'm sorry, but I'm probably keeping. This one is in the scent Vanilla Marshmallow. Oh my gosh. But look how cute. I'm like, this would be so cute under the tree if you have like a preteen or a teenager or a college student or just a girlfriend, whatever. This is such a cute gift, and it comes with a little tiny loofah. I like to use these little loofahs for like travel, because I'll use them when I travel, because I use a loofah at home. I don't really use a washcloth. It's just the way I roll. So I like having like a smaller size loofah to travel with. And then usually I'll just leave it in the hotel, you know, just when I'm heading home. I don't bring it home with me, but it's got a little tiny body butter of the scent and a little shower gel in that, and it's so cutely packaged. Like I said, I think their body butters are really, really moisturizing, really, really nice. So it's a nice gift for someone else or for yourself. This one is for myself. We usually go to Chicago in December, and we're planning to, like, it's just a yearly thing we do at the holidays. And I always bring whatever Body Shop set I always bring with me. So like, it just makes me get in the holiday spirit. I love it. Another cute little like ornament kind of stocking stuffer gift is from Formula 10.0.6. I have to be honest, I have not tried this brand, but I've heard amazing things about it, and so I thought this was a good deal. It is their All Is Calm, All Is Bright collection. So it has 3 different masks. One of them is their Get Your Glow On Skin Brightening Peel Mask with papaya and citrus. Another is a Skin Calming Gel Mask with coconut and cucumber. And then there's their Skin Clarifying Mud Mask with strawberry and yarrow. I thought this was really, really cool. They had different kinds for different skin types. So like this one's all about getting like glowy. One of them I think was like about like clearing the skin, more clarifying. But this one I was like, this is very kind of a universal, like who doesn't want like bright skin, you know, calm, bright skin. I thought that was such a good deal, and it's so freaking cute. Mask sets like these are great ways to figure out, like if you're thinking about buying a full size of something, this is a great way to test a bunch of them out too. Or if it's someone that you just don't really know what to get them, but you know they probably do masks from time to time, it's a great way to kind of guess, and they can try a few different kinds. This I have bought before, but this will be in the giveaway. This will be in the giveaway as well. This is the Moly Happy Sweet Holiday My Shea Mask Sheet Box. I said that weird. I've got this before, and I actually kept it for myself the last time. I think it was like maybe 2 years ago, but it's a little pack of sheet masks. I think Moly sheet masks are really nice. These are the exact same sheet masks that were in the last one. It's the Thank You sheet mask, Love You, Be Happy, Share It, and Good Luck sheet mask. They do have different things in them, and it says it on the bottom or on the back. There's a little part that says what each one is actually for, like what they are targeting, because it's hard to tell, but they're so cute and Christmassy. The box is the cutest thing ever. And like I said, Moly is a great skincare brand, and I really do like their sheet masks. So this is an awesome gift. You could totally split this up and put it in other stockings, or like if you've got a couple daughters or something and you want to put a few, oh my gosh, so many possibilities. This one's from the Body Shop. It's their Shea hand cream, and a little lip butter. So again, I think $10 is not a bad deal. This is a nice hand cream. They're really, really moisturizing. They remind me of the L'Occitane hand creams, just really nice for the skin, especially if you get dry knuckles or you know someone that does. And actually, I've never tried their lip butters. And I don't even know that I've even heard anything about them. I feel like they used to be popular like long ago, so I'm not sure. But again, really, really cute little stocking stuffer or just like real gift. And it's really nice quality. This next one is from EOS or EOS, however you say it. I love the tin because it's like actually reusable. I want to say this one was right around $10 as well. It's a little set of 3 of their full-size lip balms, and they're limited edition. So one of them is called First Snow, Fireside Chai, and Pomegranate Raspberry. So I thought this is perfect if you know someone that uses EOS already. This is an awesome gift, but this is one of those gifts that like anyone would like. And again, you could split it up, but I thought it was really cute. This is like a full year's supply of lip balm. I mean, that's gonna last you all year long. I know my brother always liked Burt's Bees, and like the lip balm. I think he's still like addicted. I'm telling you, he's addicted to them. But my mom every year would like buy him a bunch of them to last him the year. I just think, I wonder if she still does that. Speaking of Burt's Bees, this one, how adorable is this? It has 2 Burt's Bees product in it. It's called A Bit of Burt's Bees and it's in Vanilla Bean. So it's their Vanilla Bean lip balm and then lemon butter cuticle cream. So it's a little one of those. It's the full sizes of those. And I'm like, that is adorable. Maybe I'll give this to my brother. I wonder if he'll use it. I don't know, I think he's like a diehard, like true blue Burt's Bees, but they had a lot of Burt's Bees sets on Ulta. So even if this wasn't up your alley, there were tons. I just kind of picked one that I thought was really, really cute. Next one, it's that same brand, the Formula 10.0.6, but it's their fresh approach to skincare, Calm Retreat. So it's got their Seaside Glow Skin Hydrating Peel Mask. It's got algae and sea clay, but then it's got a little moisturizer. It's their Thirst No More moisturizer. And then it also has, like, it looks like makeup removing wipes, and it has a sheet mask. I'm like, dang, for under 10 bucks, that's like a really, they're calling it a travel kit, but it's just like an awesome kit regardless. So I thought that was a really, really good deal, whether it's for a gift or for yourself, because that's a lot to get to try. This might be sold out, but it's this Ulta little kit that they're starting to do. They call them their What We Love kits, and this is their skin loving ingredients one, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different products. It's a $20 value. They're selling for 10. I bought it for 10, but during like the Black Friday, Cyber Monday like weekend, it was on sale for 5, and I think that's when it sold out. But even for $10, that's a good deal. So hopefully it'll get back in stock online. Maybe you'll even be able to find it in store. But it comes with the Biore Charcoal Self-Heating 1-Minute Mask. It comes with the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. I love anything by CeraVe. I've never tried a product of theirs that wasn't amazing for your skin. The Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, the Pacifica Little Facial Mask, Shea Moisture Daily Glow Priming Moisturizer. That sounds awesome. Again, Shea Moisture is one of those brands that I've only tried a few things, but I've loved like everything I've tried from them. The Simple Cleansing Wipes, the Ulta Beauty Strawberries and Champagne Skin Shimmering Glitter with hyaluronic. Oh, it's a glitter peel off mask. I was gonna say what? And then the Yes to Detox Charcoal Mud Mask. So again, 10 bucks, you're getting tons of things. This is great for yourself, great for a gift. I mean, I guess that's true for all these, but I thought that was a stellar deal. Then this cute little Real Techniques mini buffing brush. I thought this was adorable. It's got like this little purple and then like a really kind of shimmery silver little like ferrule there. Their brushes are really, really nice. They really are. And actually, I'm not a big fan of like mini brushes, but for a buffing brush, it's almost like easy. You can just grab it and really buff like the foundation or powder into your skin. So I was like, actually, that's not the worst. So I thought that was a really good deal and really, really cute. The last thing, item number 10 are the Ulta Beauty candles. I think these were $10. Now, I feel like candles are one of those things that you don't need to buy at Ulta. Target has candles for under $10 that are really nice. Walmart year round has crazy deals on their candles, and they actually smell really nice. But I liked that these are soy. These smell unbelievable. Okay, if you're a Disney freak like me, this one in whipped vanilla cream smells amazing, but there's something about it that kind of smells like the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, just slightly. So I was like, oh my gosh. And then this one is Glistening Snow. And Tyler was saying he thinks this one smells like one of the resorts. I don't know. These both smell incredible. Like I kind of had low expectations. I'm like, why is Ulta Beauty making candles? But shame on me because these smell amazing. Now I haven't burned them yet to let you know, but if they had like a crazy deal on this, like if these went half off, I would totally buy more because so far I'm impressed, but I'm gonna burn them first. I'm gonna see if they actually like do a good job. So for this giveaway, most of this is gonna be in it. So I'm giving away this box of skincare, both of the Formula 10.0.6 skincare sets, the little Burt's Bees set, the EOS set, the little mini buffing brush, and the Tony Moly sheet masks. So if you are interested in winning these, you have to be subscribed to my channel, of course. That is the only requirement. But so that you're actually entered to win, check out my link down below so you can see how to enter. Now, I always do it through a site where you can also, like, if you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, those are extra entries you don't have to do, but if you want more of a chance to win, you certainly can. So definitely check that out, but you do have to be subscribed to win all of these, and I'll pick the winner probably a week after this goes live. 18 and older unless you have parental permission, and yes, it is open internationally. I hope you enjoyed this style of video. I like doing these gift guides. If you haven't seen my under $25 gift guide, definitely check it out. I will link it up in the cards and down below, like I said earlier. And subscribe before you leave if you would, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.